Come to show you guys how activities you can enjoy when you come to the Thorpe Park here in Chertsey in London. Here we go. Right here, and there's loads of activities right here. Come and have a day out here at Thorpe Park. Wow, this is it. Entrance to Thorpe Park, and the security guys help you out, help you sort your security stuff, and once you're through, get your tickets ready, and then toilet is on the left hand side here. The moment you step in, you need to heat yourself before the activities. Alright, other people buying activities on the day, here we see them right here. Once you have a ticket, you can have it scanned here. Gosh, let's jump on this bomb determinator first. Yeah, here we go on top in the sky. And somebody needs to close their eyes. Oh, you open your eyes. Up in the sky. Here we go. Once on top here, it's a relief. You can see beautiful scenario everywhere. The entire place looks so beautiful. There's the moment coming back down. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the group of activity I'm giving you right from Thorpe Park here. Now, make sure you smash the notification bell, subscribe for my channel, and before I go, let me just give you this.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, gather around, it's showtime. Right here in Thorpe Park. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in this beautiful afternoon, we're gonna have right now. Here we go. I got paid, so I'm gonna I got feed, so I'm gonna make sure everybody eats. Goddamn. Hey! Goddamn old man.
So that's excitement. Okay guys, this was the kind of place. One of the business. Wow. This isn't there. It's rolling all around. hope you guys enjoy watching this. Don't look away, there's more to come. I just experienced that now, you know, flying boat.
Keep your arms and legs inside the boat.
I take it off. Then now it's quite exciting, isn't it? I'm going to show you guys how the excitement is. You need to be here to feel it, really. Yeah. I wasn't able to capture myself when I was in the boat, but never mind. I'll show you a picture of other people, you know, as they are flying, you know, with the boats. And you see the excitement, how it is like. Now the journey starts from here. This is how it is. Seated in our boat. And we're going. And slowly, the boat climb up to the apex point there and make a turn to the left. Then a huge descent, which we're going to see. These guys have just finished their home turn, but now you're gonna see how it is now. See them. They're ready to get down. Look at that! Huge splash! That's a huge splash! What a huge splash that one is. That's what you feel when you get in there. I just say how I feel now. This is it. I came out of it. You see the feelings? Man, you love to be here. It's good. No, you love to be here. You got to be here, man.